Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a bit about how to use readability statistics to improve your writing, particularly to service users. So what you've got here in front of you is a letter that I have drafted up to a service user, and it says, "Dear Ms. Young, I am corresponding with yourself as a consequence of our appointment of 6th of April, where it was agreed that we would meet again in your accommodation. If it is convenient with yourself, I would like to have this further appointment with you on Friday, 26th of April at 1 p.m. If this appointment is not convenient for you, or if you would like to clarify anything ahead of our meeting, do not hesitate to contact me. Otherwise, I eagerly await our meeting on the 26th. Yours." Now, you probably get a sense, as I've read the letter out to you, that this is not a particularly great letter. And I'm going to show you how to improve it. So up here, if we move up here, you'll notice that this is I'll go back to the normal home menu. So click on the normal home menu. I'm going to come to the review option. This is using Word 2010, the review option. And here you've got spelling and grammar. If you click on the spelling and grammar, what you'll get there is a bit will come up and it gives you the readability statistics. Now, if your program doesn't do this, I would suggest you talk to the librarians or you talk to the people in IT about how to alter your word settings so it will give you this. And as you can see from this, it gives you the words, number of characters, number of paragraphs, number of sentences, various bits of data there. But I want to come on to this bit bottom here where it says readability. So there's 33% passive sentences. So these are sentences where who is doing what in the sentence is not clear. The reading ease is only 48.2, and the Flesch-Kincaid grade level, which is roughly what year this would be appropriate for, what school year this would be appropriate for, says 13.3. So that is really second year of sixth form. So as you can see from that, not the world's most brilliantly written of letters. So I want you to hold on to that 48.2 and 13.3. What we're going to do is we're going to look at how we could change it. So instead of "I am corresponding with yourself," I am writing to you as a consequence of following appointment meeting. Then on rather than off, because I prefer it. Okay, now full stop. Full stop. At that meeting, we agreed that we would meet again in your accommodation. That's very impersonal. At your home. If it is convenient with yourself, if it's convenient, who else is going to be convenient with you? Right? If it is convenient, I would like to have this further appointment. I would like to meet with you again on Friday at your home. At your home. If this appointment is not convenient, if this is not convenient, if this is not convenient, or if it's not convenient, or if you have any questions, don't really say ahead of the meeting, do not hesitate to contact me. And then this otherwise, that just feels a bit clunky to me. I look forward to seeing you again. On the 26th. So now what we've done is we took this letter down. Now what's interesting here is if we run that through the grammar and spelling. Now you notice it was 48.2. for reading ease, and that's now gone to 78.2. That's considerably easier to read. And if we look at the grade level, that's gone from 13 point something down to 5.6. So much more realistic, much better. And another thing you know is I've in that sentence, the passive sentences, I've also effectively eliminated those. So you can see just in doing that, it's given me a clue or given me a useful guide to how readable that will be for the service user. So learn how to use that facility. It's a really great way of making sure that you are writing in a clear, understandable way. But do remember, it is just a guide. It's not a controller. So the fact that it says its reading ease has improved doesn't necessarily mean it has. Basically, it means you've used shorter words and shorter sentences and you've been a bit clearer. That doesn't automatically mean that you will be more understandable, but it's a good guide. So I hope you found that useful, and any questions or comments, don't hesitate to let me know.